Let's quickly see how to show hidden files on our Mac computer. I've already written an article on the website. The link will be in the description. And here's the video version. Let's first see what are hidden files on a Mac computer. These are system files, some temporary files that you don't need to worry about. Get deleted at a different interval, and then there are trash files, and you don't need to worry about them either. Apart from that, you can hide any file on your computer yourself. Suppose if you want to hide a file from someone, you can do that. Okay, so suppose I have got this milk tracker file. I want to hide it from everybody else. I can highlight this file, then click, go to rename, and simply add a dot before the name and hit enter. It will prompt me that the system treats items with these names as invisible files, and that's what we want. So I'll say use dot, and as soon as I do that, it will be invisible. Now you can see that it has faded a bit because it is now a hidden file. And I have enabled to view hidden files on my Mac computer. How to view hidden files. Method 1. This can be done by a keyboard shortcut press Shift Command period on your keyboard. As soon as I have pressed that, you can see that the file is now invisible. And if I want to view the hidden file, I can press Shift Command dot and it will be visible. So this is one way you can view hidden files on your computer. How to view hidden files. Method 2. Now there is another way of viewing hidden files. This is the second method, where you can use the terminal to view the hidden files on your computer. The command to do that is written in the article, link of which will be in the description of this video. So I will simply copy that command and paste it into the terminal. I'll press enter, and after that I will type kill all and the name of the app I want to refresh. So this will kill the Finder app. And the Finder app will be refreshed and the effects will be visible, because the command I pressed is to make the hidden files viewable, and as soon as I hit enter, you can see that the Finder app was closed, and then it opened again, so it got refreshed. And now we are able to see the hidden file. Similarly, you can see all the hidden files on your computer. You can see all these files were hidden. The faded ones are the hidden files on your Mac computer. Now, if I want to disable this from the terminal, I can use the same command, and instead of true, I will write false and hit enter, then kill all Finder to refresh the Finder app. And now the hidden files will remain hidden. How to view hidden files. Method 3. The third method is to use apps like Funtear or Forklift or Clean My Mac. These third-party applications have got other features as well, and one of the features is to view hidden files on your computer. So these were the ways you can view hidden files on your computer. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.